What's going on, guys? Welcome to my ViprTech Rebel 3 gaming PC unboxing, review, and giveaway. Stick around for details on how to enter the giveaway, but first, the ViprTech Rebel 3 gaming PC comes with the Ryzen 5 CPU, RTX 3060 GPU, 32GB of RAM, 1TB NVMe SSD, 600W PSU, comes with Bluetooth, it's VR ready, and has Windows 11 Pro. I got this PC on Amazon for $774.99. After taxes, I paid $835.05. I'll leave the link in the description. This PC doesn't come with a monitor, mouse, or keyboard, so if you're looking to buy this for yourself or enter the giveaway, keep in mind you'll need to buy those things if you don't have them already. So I didn't really know what to expect when I bought this. I planned to do a giveaway sooner, and I tried a few PCs in the $400 to $500 range. Most of them were pretty bad, so I returned them. Obviously, since I'm making this video, this PC is good enough to give away, but is it worth the price? I'm not so sure about that. After finally getting the packing foam out, I was looking around inside and making sure none of the wires were loose or disconnected. The GPU is a lot smaller than it is in the picture, and it didn't say 3060 anywhere on it. The RAM also looked pretty cheap, and I doubted whether or not it was actually 32GB. I was able to confirm all the specs were as advertised, but they're definitely the cheapest they could find. I noticed there were no intake fans either. The only fans this PC had were the CPU fan and exhaust fan. That didn't really seem to matter though. I was able to stream, record, and game at the same time without the CPU getting too hot. I put some footage from Apex and Fortnite toward the end of the video if you want to see how it looks. With Apex, I don't play at all, and I wasn't able to figure out how to change my frame rate, but I had all the other settings set to low. On Fort, I tried playing on the recommended settings, but after some stuttering, I set everything to low and it was much smoother. Okay, so would I recommend this PC? If you just want good gameplay, I would say get an Xbox or a PlayStation. It's cheaper and the gameplay would be similar, if not better. If you want to stream, make content, etc., I would recommend building your own. You can build a much better PC for the same price. If you don't feel like building a PC and just want to get a pre-built, then I guess this PC is okay. It's better than the other PCs I tried in the $400 to $500 range, but it's not twice as good, even though it's twice the price. But at least you can get decent quality gameplay while streaming. And if that's the goal, I say go for it. You could always return it if it doesn't work out. Okay, so the reason most of you are here, to enter the giveaway, like this video, subscribe to my channel, comment enter me, and tell me what you're currently gaming on. You can also go to my TikTok to be entered into the giveaway twice. If you also enter on TikTok, let me know your TikTok name in the same comment you're entering the YouTube giveaway with. That way I can keep track. I'm not exactly sure when I'm going to close the giveaway and announce the winner. Being a smaller channel, sometimes it takes a while for people to see my videos, and I want to give enough people a chance to win. So I'll keep everyone updated in the community post tab and Discord. Thanks to everybody for watching my video. Stick around and check out some gameplay clips just to see how the PC handles, and good luck to everybody who enters the giveaway.
We're inside the next ring.
Zipline over there. Enemy shield broke. Firing.
Attention, delivering replicator.
It's not a game.